There is a new secret way that I find top tier meme coin traders that are literally making hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars each and every single month, taking advantage of meme coins. And I'm going to show you exactly how to find these traders and even copy trade them right now. This is a completely secret way that a lot of people don't even know about. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like and subscribe. SolSqueezer Bot is a Telegram trading tool that you can use each and every single day to find these top meme coin traders and actually begin copy trading them so you can profit from each of their amazing trades. I'll leave the link for SolSqueezer in this video description. Here on SolSqueezer, you do get access to their free features. You get 3 daily checks. Here you can send a wallet address to analyze trading statistics. You can scan up to 100 wallets in one request. You can also set flexible filters for mass scans. You get the best traders on each token if you just paste in the token address from Dex Screener, GMGNAI, or even Pump Fun. Plus, within their SolSqueezer private group, they even have traders being automatically posted each and every single day, so you'll be able to go through and analyze to find these top meme coin traders. You can even send a text file with up to 50,000 traders to analyze all within SolSqueezer. I have shown you this in a previous video. SolSqueezer also has a paid version here. You can actually get full access within the bot. The base tier offers unlimited checks for Solana, Tron, Base, Ethereum, and the Binance Smart Chain, exclusive access to the token analyzer for finding the best traders on any token, and also access to their private group with an auto checker that I will be showing you a little bit later on in the video. They also have their pro tier with super batches where you can check those 50,000 wallets that I just mentioned. And they also have a personal auto checker where you can receive wallets in DMs that match your individual criteria. You can actually go ahead and pay for the bot. You can see here, this is the base tier where you can get access for 10 days, for 1 month, all the way up to 12 months. And they also have their pro tier as well, again, from 10 days, 1 month, all the way up to this 12 months subscription plan. Here on the homepage of SolSqueezer, we're able to also adjust all of the specific settings for SolSqueezer Bot. You can see we can turn on pump fund trades or only pump fund. We can exclude sold, overbought trades, exclude outstanding P&L, related wallets, and also win rate. Plus, we can also choose the trading period that we want SolSqueezer to analyze for us. They also have this token analyzer right here where you can see you have access to traders, snipers, and holders. We can actually turn on all of these particular settings and begin to find these top meme coin traders. Plus, they have the batch requests right here, and you can see here we have all of the batch request settings where we can set the minimum win rate for a particular trader. So we're not finding traders that don't have an extremely high win rate. We can look for traders with a minimum amount of trades because we want to be finding traders that are taking consistent trades each and every day, each and every week. You can go through and actually adjust all of these specific settings right now. Average sells per trade, average buys per trade, average buy size, average trade duration, which is really important, especially when you're copy trading. You only really want to be copy trading targets that at least take a few minutes between each and every single trade. And most importantly, we have this personal auto scan where we can actually select specific filters that we will be personally sent by SolSqueezer if we find traders that fit our exact specific settings that we have set. Here in the super batch section, I actually sent SolSqueezer thousands of wallets for it to analyze, and here I'm now able to go through and have a look at each and every single one of the traders that I have provided. You can see it will give me the ROI, their profit and loss, their overall win rate, longest win streak. Even very importantly, it's showing me the overall market cap distribution. Are they buying coins between 5 to 30,000 market cap, between 30,000 to 100,000, 100,000 to 300,000, which is really important because that will allow you to set up your copy trading very specifically. Here, I'm able to find traders that are making tens of thousands of dollars each and every single day, and then you'd be able to go ahead and begin copy trading them. Plus, when you have access to the SolSqueezer private group, like you can see here on this left-hand side, we can see we have these different groups like Squeeze Wallets, where we have this auto scan bot that's automatically sending us the best meme coin copy trading targets that we can find each and every single day. I'm literally getting them sent right now. Just 10 minutes ago, I was sent this new wallet that has an ROI of 67%, a profit of nearly $19,000. He has a 69% win rate, which is extremely important. Having a very, very high win rate. He's definitely the type of trader I want to see. You can see his overall wins, overall total trades. We can see the total market cap distribution of buyers, which is good to see. He's buying some of those much larger cap coins, not really buying coins at that 5 and 10,000 market cap. Plus, we have another section here where we can see an average trades per day of 10. So only traders with more than 10 trades per day will actually be sent here for you to go through and analyze from SolSqueezer Bot. We also have an average of 10 per day plus fast trades. So these are traders that are fast trading, and also we can go through, analyze to find what type of profit they're making, what's their overall win rate, and would they be a good copy trading target so we can begin and piggyback on each and every single one of their trades. Plus here, another chill traders group. These types of traders are not taking massive trades each and every day. They overall have a very good win rate, a very decent ROI, but they're potentially not trading hundreds each and every single day. It's more of a chill traders section where you can go through and still find some of these top meme coin traders all within SolSqueezer. Plus, once you've found a particular wallet and you wanted to deep dive even further, all you need to do is click on the overall wallet address right here, and you can see you'll be provided with an Excel spreadsheet. Here we can come over to Excel provided by SolSqueezer and go through each and every single one of these traders' trades. We can see the total ROI, total profit and loss, total win rate, total fees, overall SOL price, how much balance he has, overall not swap transactions, overall scam tokens, if he is getting stuck in any scam tokens, and how many overall tokens he's trading. Here we can see total ROI. He's actually made one trade where he made more than 500%, 8 trades between 5 and 100%, 12 trades between 50 and 100%, 25 trades between 0 and 50%, and even more. Here we can go through and see the overall delta percentage, the overall total profit that they've made on all of the trades, how many buys, how many sells. Plus, importantly, we can see the overall trade duration, which is important. You can see some are actually highlighted in yellow here, which is telling us that these are potentially a little bit too quick of a trade to be able to copy trade because, as I stated previously in the video, a few minutes between each trade is actually ideal to allow the copy trading software to really capture the overall trades that this trader is making. You can see the market cap that they're buying, the overall token contract. You can actually view the trade here on Deck Screener and even view the trade on Pump Fun. Once I've found these top meme coin traders, I actually begin copy trading by using TradeWiz. I'll leave the link for TradeWiz in the video description. Now, when you're ready to copy trade, all we need to do, come over to TradeWiz, hit copy trade, hit on add, and now we can add this top meme coin trader. Here, I'll add the tag SolSqueezer Trader. Then we'll need to add in the overall target wallet. So I'll add his wallet address in here. And then we have access to all these settings, like how much you want to be buying in for, the total investment you want to set up for this overall trader, and some other specific settings that will overall maximize your copy trading profitability. Once you're actually finished, all you need to do is hit create. And now we've found top tier meme coin traders on SolSqueezer, and now we'll be able to copy trade them directly on TradeWiz. So there we have it. This is how I use SolSqueezer each and every single day to find these top meme coin traders automatically being sent top tier traders straight into my private DMs from SolSqueezer, and then I go ahead and begin copy trading them on TradeWiz. I'll leave the link for SolSqueezer Bot in this video description and also for TradeWiz. If you have enjoyed today's video deep diving on SolSqueezer Bot on Telegram, make sure to smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.